Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have unique luxury choices for you. Would you rather design your dream luxury home with amazing fun challenge? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. Let's start. Which dream home is yours? Pick your forever living dream home. Which of these bedrooms feels like your personal paradise? If you had to choose, which door matches your vibe? It is gaming time. Do you pick room 1, room 2, or go with the third option? Next, what color pillow is perfect for you? Brown, blue, or pink? Now choose a bedside table. Which one looks best in your dream bedroom? Time to go big. Which water park would you love to have? Which home pool do you want to swim in? Why not give your steps some style? Pick your favorite staircase. Here comes the fun ride. Are you hopping on the Mickey Mouse train, Mario Express, or the Paw Patrol ride? If you could design your dream living room, what would it look like? Now pick your earbud buddy. Hello Kitty, Olaf, or Pikachu. Bonus round. Minecraft lovers, can you spot different Minecraft emoji before timer runs out? Found it. It's hiding right here. Which night lamp is making your room magical tonight? Do you take the kitten, the baby lamb, or the cutest puppy? Where is your pet moving in? Sonic home, Hello Kitty home, or Pikachu home? Which inflatable pool are you choosing? Left, middle, or right? Now it is time for a lounger. Which one are you taking? Time to pick your comfiest sofa. Which one gives you relaxing vibes? Choose your challenge. Comment your favorite color, your favorite character, or your favorite food. Next round. Which library would you rather have? Which outdoor space feels like your style? Which fluffy toy do you like most? First, second, or third? Which clock design is the best? Make your choice. Now look outside. Which bedroom view would you choose? Which villa would you move into? Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3? Pick your favorite fruit chair design. Left, middle, or right? Which tissue box catches your eye? Make your choice. Here is a fun one. Mario fans, can you land Mario on motorbike so he enjoy his riding? How many clicks did it take? Comment down below. Time to choose again. Which wall drawer you want in your dream home? Now pick your kitchen, where you cook your favorite meals. Time to choose your bathroom sink. Which one matches your vibe? What does your next bedroom look like? Where are you working from today? 1, 2, or 3? Which front yard is your favorite? Make your choice. Pick your dream bathroom. Left, middle, or right? Quick challenge, like this video, comment your birthday, and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Which neon sign looks the best? Which headphone design do you like most? Movie lovers, pick your TV style. Which option are you going with this time? Pick your favorite flower pot. Which one you want in your dream home? Which mug would you choose? First, second, or third option? Pick your favorite musical instrument. And what about your luxurious walk-in closet? Which one would you go with? Let's pick your outdoor sitting space. First, second, or third? Pick your floor design. Which design you want in your dream house? Pick your dream motorbike. Which one is your riding buddy? Which kettle would you rather use? Left, middle, or right? Now let's pick your mirror style. Which tent looks best to you? Time to pick your dream car. Which one you want in your garage? Now choose your laptop. Sonic, Unicorn, or Minion style. Sweet lovers, pick your cake. Which flavor do you want? Let's pick your rug. Which one gives your feet comfy vibes? Last choice. Which swing chair would you take? Sonic, Mickey Mouse, or SpongeBob? That was amazing dream luxury home adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.